Whoa. Moving.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Lobster.
Lobster.
Hello.
Hello? Hi?
Do you know what we're cooking today?
Yeah?
What are we cooking today?
I'm here.
What are we cooking today?
Here.
Yeah, we are. We're cooking lobster on the grill
We're making a food.
and lobster chowder.
This one. Whoa, big one.
What is this?
Potato.
This is a zucchini.
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 I'm gonna grill these.
Yeah.
How should I cut this? What do you think?
Cucumber.
Big long strip?
Yeah.
Actually, we do another big long strip here too. We should do thirds. Make it thick, nice and thick, okay?
Yeah.
Thick ones for zucchini.
Zucchini. Daddy?
Do you think three's enough, baby? I mean, do you think one whole zucchini is enough? Or do you think we want more zucchini? What do you think? Is that enough zucchini?
No.
No?
No.
Do I have to get more zucchini?
Yeah.
Ethan! Come here.
Whoa, crabs.
It's a crab?
Yeah.
It's a lobster.
Lobster.
And Daddy's gonna take care of the lobster, baby.
It's not what? Whoa. It's moving.
Yeah. And we're going to take care of it in a very humane way.
I'm gonna get away.
Okay, go.
On my back. It's moving.
We took care of it.
They were in there. They were in there. What in there? Whoa!
Lobster!
Lobster. You open it.
And that's how you open a lobster.
Whoa,
I'm
wait.
gonna cook this with the chowder, and we're gonna barbecue this.
This way loud. This way hurts.
Yeah. Okay, Daddy, go clean it. Okay.
What's that? Wow. What's that? What's that? Wow. What's that? Wow. Not funny. Not funny. No.
Ethan, we're back.
Yeah.
We're cooked food.
No.
Let's eat.
No. Yes.
Let's put it all together and have a bite.
With a knife?
Okay, let's grab a tenderloin. Daddy first. Let's see how it turned out.
And the babies?
Yep. I'll cut it open first just to see how it looks like. Nice and red. A little bit red.
Yeah. Did you got some too?
Yep, I will. Let's just plate, but Daddy needs to show how people how to plate.
Go have this one.
Yep. Wait for a second.
This one. And this one.
Okay, that's plate yours. Since you bite this one already, you get this one, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to grab a lobster?
They cut some lobster.
Of course you can. Here, you have this one first.
Okay. This one, yeah.
Then we'll do this, like double it up.
Let me see, I can.
Let's have some lobster, shall we?
Mm-hmm.
So what you do is you grab your fork. Whoa, watch your knife. Always put your knife down. Grab your fork. Put your carrot down. Grab your fork. And then we're gonna poke it. And we pull it out. Like that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that meat. It's full of, it's already buttered.
Whoa.
Just gonna bite. Mmm. Some help? Would Daddy help you?
No.
Okay.
Whoa, have a big one.
You have a big one?
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Hi. See? I just opened it. I just opened it. See? I just opened it. It will come out. It come out. Hey, it just took me. Like that.
You gotta stay away from Daddy a little bit.
That's it.
Move it a little bit over. Yeah.
They went there.